to Nachal Maor. It's on the corner of HaYarden. So Nachal Maor goes all the way up into the highest part of Ramat Beit Shemesh Aleph, which is Nachal Dolev. We're right at the top. You have one of the places where you have what we call a Minyon Factory. And on this section of Nachal Maor, you have apartment complexes as well as a few semi-attached villas as well. Besides the semi-attached villas, you also have apartment buildings about 4 to 5 stories high, which consists of anywhere from 2 bedrooms all the way up into 4 to sometimes even 5 bedroom places. And of course, on the ground floor level, there are some that have large gardens. Yeshivat Beit Shlomo is also located on Nachal Maor Street. Also, you have Kehilat, Menorat, Maor, one of the many synagogues that's located on this street. In the middle of Nachal Maor, where it joins with Nachal HaBasor, you have a nice park area. And on the other side of the street, you have some restaurants. You have a schwarma place, there's a small store, and you have a pizza place, as well as a nice park. On the corner of Nachal Maor and Nachal Refaim, we have a nice park. One of the reasons Nachal Maor is one of the more popular streets and sought after is it's a nice mix of people. You have Dati Lumi, you have modern Orthodox, and some Haredim. It's a nice mix.